Do you feel that there's a correlation with Clubhouse? Do you think that leveraging keywords in our titles, in our descriptions, will impact the way that Clubhouse shows our room to people?
Yes, but not in the same way. I think keywords matter because it tells people what it's about. But currently, discoverability on the platform is really reliant on who you follow. So think about, there's two big levers. One is the title of the room. The other is who is in the room. And so for me, when I go through and they call it the hallway and I look at all the rooms, I'm looking who's in the room first, and then I look at the title. And if I like the people that are in the room and the title, then I'll go into the room. And so as a moderator, I think it's important to not only curate a group of speakers and moderators that will hopefully bring people and great thoughts, but also that you're creative with your title. I would say the first 20 characters of the title are most significant, because when you look on the what's called the sidebar, you're only going to see those first few words, like 2 to 3 words, depending on how long the words are. And when you really focus on those words, that's what's going to get people at least some visibility into what the room's about. But I do think title matters, especially as you pointed out, as the app becomes more popular, there's more people on it, there's more rooms, there's more competition. What's going to make your room stand out? And so it's those two factors.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you enjoyed this episode. I've got several other episodes right here for you. Smash one of these videos to make sure that you don't miss out on the tips, tools, and tactics of industry experts. Let's take that side hustle full time. Smash one of these links.